welcome back. This is Denise, and today I want to paint an abstract. I don't know what we're going to end up with. I'm just kind of wetting down my palette here. These are my Kuretake Art paints, which I was super obsessed with. I did a million things with them. Then I've put them away and played with other things for quite a while, and I thought I'd pull that Art Nouveau set back out. And I'm working on a piece of the Hahnemuhle 9x12 paper, and I've just cut 3 inches off the end because I want to do another one of these in the center paintings, which for right now I've decided I like doing these. And it puts a gigantic white border around it, which I like. So let's just do one of those today. I was doing these several videos with the Kisso paints, and I felt like the Kissos had a fun time being out of the drawer over here where I keep all my art supplies beside me. If you watch the studio tour, you'll see a big dresser over on this side, and lots of different goodies hiding in the drawers. And they've had their fun out. They came out and they played. Because this year it's been all about using what you have, getting out stuff out of the drawers, wherever you've hid them, what have you forgotten that you haven't used in a while, and just seeing what can we create with this today. Okay, so we got our little paints out. I just eyeballed the taping. I don't get real exact with that. Thinking something blue, green, teal. What are you thinking? I'm thinking blue, green, teal. And I'm going to kind of start it off as maybe a concentric circle, but more like just as a way to get the color on the page, not anything specific. And don't ask me which ones of these I'm pulling. Just kind of pulling them out. I don't even know if they're in the correct spot. So it's just this set, this 24-piece set that I'm getting these out of. Kind of feeling like these teal is so pretty. And this green is pretty. I just love these. It's more of a way just to fill the whole page. Fun. That's fun, actually. I like that. Do I need to throw another color in there? Are we filling another color, or should we let this wait and let the other color be something on top of that? I mean, I'm kind of wondering, do we want that pink kind of in there? Ooh, maybe this, like this green as a contrast to the green that I used. Kind of looks similar, but it gives you another layer in there. Okay, I like that. Good choice. Good choice. All right. Kind of want to let that dry now and let it be doing what it's going to do, and then we can layer on top of that with something. I don't know what that is yet, so let's let that dry and I'll be right back. All right, we're mostly dry. Got some of these Kingart Gel Sticks that are fun. These are tagged in my Amazon page, so you can find a link to the Amazon page there on my favorites page up top, which I'll link in the description. Because some of these I get off Amazon, some of these I get at the Dig Blick. And I try to tag most of my favorites either in the Amazon shop or down that page. So check that out in the description. And if something's not available, then Google it. See what you got available to you wherever you are. Okay, what is this color? Let's just pull out so it's a little brighter. Do I like that? Oh wait, do I like this better? Ooh, it's that one. It's that one. Let's not do this one. Let's do that one. Sometimes it's handy to have the little... Alright, I'm just going to do some fun stripies, because some of these I've been doing some of this kind of mark making on these little minis that I've been doing that are coming out in different reels that I post on Mondays and Thursdays, and so I've really been playing and exploring limited color palettes and different lines and stuff, and I've done these kind of gel stick lines on several things that I just really have liked how that has turned out. So we'll just throw some of those on there, because why not? Maybe a few little dots, pulling that color further in over here. How about that? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I like it, I like it. I kind of feel like I need an orange. Is that a good orange? Is that a good orange? I know it's not the same color, but I'm just kind of thinking out loud. Don't think I'm loving that. These are Neo Color 2 crayons that I'm kind of looking through. Kind of like this gold one. Maybe I'll throw a little bit of some mark making over here with the gold Neo Color. Okay, that's fun. I like that. Kind of feeling like, you know, blue and green and orange are kind of opposite there on the color wheel, you know, so I'm kind of feeling like we could go some type of blue and orange, maybe this orange dot, because it'll pop and contrast in a way that's kind of surprising, like, ooh, where'd that come from? And as I'm putting it on there, I'm getting that feeling like, ooh, look at that. That's what I kept kind of thinking when I was looking there at the paints, like, should I add one of these colors in with the paints? But it's kind of fun that it's something on the top and not in the paint. I kind of like that. And we'll just make it big, because why not? Let's just pull it all over the blue as we're going here. Ooh, that was a lot. That could have been too much. It could have been too much. Okay, now I feel like it needs something else. What does it need? It needs something kind of... Maybe we want some... We could do a stencil on top. We could call it done. I mean, it could be done. Maybe it needs some mark making with some graphite pencil. That always ends up being something that I like a lot. Just an extra fun little surprise in there. It's like all the little details that get your eye to move around the piece. I think I stuck my hand on something wet, because you know I like to do that. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I feel like that was what I needed. That little tiny bit of something to move your eye around the piece. Okay, I feel like I'm there. Let's peel the tape and see what we got. You know, peeling the tape doesn't mean you have to be done. Sometimes you need to be able to just look at it and think. Let me heat the tape up just to make sure I don't tear the paper. Look how fun this one is. This paper doesn't normally snag the tape, but if it's a piece that you really like, better safe than sorry. That's my thing there. Better safe than sorry. Just let that glue kind of release a little bit, so it's less likely to snag the paper. Ooh, these were fun colors. I need to start playing with my color cubes again, because, you know, if I'm left up to color by myself, we fall off the rails a little bit sometimes. Oh yeah, I definitely love the gigantic white borders. Those are lovely. I love them. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I love them. Whoa, look at that. Okay, super fun piece today. Maybe too much orange dots, but that's okay. That's what's fun about doing stuff like this. You can look at it, you can kind of evaluate it. You can think, ooh, okay, I did overdo this bit or that bit, but still in the long run of things, it was a fun paint day. So I still consider it successful. So hope you had fun hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys next time.